Hey, it's Sarah with Papercraft Junkie, and today I wanted to talk about how to make an easy envelope journal. So this little envelope journal is one, I think does that one have a pocket? Don't know if that, no, he doesn't have a pocket. I think I saw this from the Book Vandal shop on YouTube, if you want to check out their channel and see her version of it. But this one, I used my Winter Berries junk journal kit for this one. I love this page. And I created this quick little envelope journal. And I want to show you how to do it too. So this one, you just need 4 envelopes, so 3 larger and 1 a little bit smaller for that flap. These, let's see, they are 5 3/4 by 8 3/4. I just ordered some on Amazon. I can link them below too for you, but these are just big envelopes that I ordered on Amazon, just craft envelopes, and then I had another kind of regular sized craft envelope, but you can adjust the sizes. Just make sure you have 3 of the same size and 1 of a little bit different size. Okay, and so we need to score these a little bit prior to putting them together, gluing them together. But so if you can see the score on this one here, there's a score there on that envelope, there's a little score on this envelope, and a little score on this envelope. So, and then this little envelope doesn't need to be scored at all. Move some of my stuff. I just have this gigantic scoring board, but you can use, sometimes I just use my ruler and go down the side too, if I'm too lazy to get out the gigantic scoring board. So I just open up the envelope completely, and then I do this, so I do 1 at 3/8 away from the curve, away from the crease that's already there. So I count back 1, 2, 3/8, and I score this initial envelope on the 3/8 line, and that is the cover piece, right? So that it can hold the whole junk journal. So this one is on 3/8. The second one is 2/8 back. So it's on the 2 here. So then I count 2. So then I push too hard. Then I count 2/8 back, and score that one. Bendy, bendy, bendy. Bend, bend, bend. And 1/8, right? Right, that's what I did. I think I messed one of them up, and I was like, I didn't like where I scored it, and I scored it again. I think I just messed it up. I think I did, let's see, what did I do here? Yeah, or maybe I changed it to 2 that were 2/8. I think that's what I did. I didn't think it was big enough, so I did 2 that were 2/8. So I did 1 that was 3/8 from the crease, and then 2 that were 2/8 from the crease. The 1/8 just seemed a little too small for me. I think that's what she had in the Book Vandal had in hers, and I just wanted to, I tend to pack things a little bit more into my junk journals. So this one is another 2/8. 3/8, 2/8, 2/8. Okay, simple, simple. Simple, simple. All right, so we've got where's our big 3/8 one? So our 3/8 one is the main folder side, main opening, okay? And then we've got the 2/8 one. So we're gonna open this one, and mine came already kind of with some adhesive on them, but this one goes on top, and it goes right up to that crease that we just made, right up, and make sure you kind of aligning it a little bit. Oh, let's use this one. So, ooh, my glue bottle is a mess today. Wow. Okay. So what I've done is I removed the adhesive, and then also my glue bottle. I don't know. It's warm today. It should be a little friendlier, but maybe it's not going to be friendly. I am in Central Texas, and we are having one of those 75-degree days. Okay, so we're gonna put glue right along the edges here, but I'm not gonna go up to that line, that 2/8 line I just made. My fingers are stuck on the, wow, these envelopes are serious, aren't they? And then we'll put a little bit along this edge here. Okay. And try not to get that to volcano all over the place and make a giant mess. All right, so we've got our 3/8 one. We are going to do this. I think I did this backwards, Sarah. Right up against there. Okay. Glue that on. Okay. And then this other 2/8 one. So this one was 3/8. Did I mess that up? Probably. All right, you know what happens if you mess it up? You just fix it. I think I might have scored that one in the wrong place. I mean, I think I might have used my 3/8 there. So we're just gonna go 1, 2, 3. Why don't I only do this on camera? I've made this a bazillion times and never messed it up. So then I just rescore it. Seriously, I've made this a whole bunch of times. Never messed it up. But here, now that I've turned on the camera, totally messed it up. Just to show you that I am human and I make mistakes all the time. But in crafting, you can make mistakes. All right, so we are just going to say this is how we wanted it to look, right? We wanted it to look that way. Here's the back to show you, all right? All right, we've got our opening there. We fixed another little mistake that I made. And then this one, this other 2/8 is going to go backwards. So you want to flip over your two that you already have glued together, and you're going to glue right up to the edge again. Hopefully I've got this the correct one again, right? All right. Oh, you're gonna work today. Okay. Fingers are gonna be stuck on here. I'm just using Fabri-Tac because that's what I have. Seriously, my fingers are stuck. Oh, these are some serious envelopes. My glue sticks that I have are washable, so they tend to not stick as well. So I'm not going to use that on this one. I want this really to have a good hold. Okay, so again, I've got my cover here, right? I flipped it over. I'm going right up to the edge where I scored it. And I also use the Fabri-Tac so that I can pick it up because it's a liquid. Move it around a little bit. Right up to where I've scored it here. Come on. See? Oh. All right. Okay, so this is the back, right? There we go. Even though not perfect, right? We've got two inside. So what I did when I put down the paper was I just put glue on the edges, the outside edges of the paper. I did not put glue down this edge when I glued the paper down, right? Because then that would have closed that pocket. So I just glued the outside edges and up to about, 1/4 of the way through the image. And then I left a little pocket here. And then this little folder here, I think I forgot and I glued it together. Did I glue it? Yeah. I completely spaced it. I could undo it. Ooh, look. I could undo it and do it again. But I completely spaced, leaving a pocket on that side. So again, also, this little pocket, when I glued this page down, I glued that pocket on to this inside piece, okay, right along where I've scored it. I could do that now. Oh, look, my glue is erupting. Stop erupting glue. You can do that now. You can do that ahead of time. Like sometimes it's nice to just have an hour where you make a couple of these, so you just have these little journals to go when you get the time to craft. I like to have some of that stuff. I'm gonna open this a little bit and see if I can get it to stop erupting. Okay, so right up to the edge where I'm gonna put mine kind of in the middle, right to the edge where I scored this other one so that it can flip out. Okay, you could do more. You put it in here. You could do whatever you want. There he is, right there. And then if you want this one to be a pocket, again, put the glue here. Do not put glue on your paper here so that you leave that pocket open. And there you go. You got a quick little journal that's ready to go. I am going to, so I have printed out all the pieces from this kit here. Got pockets. These pockets, sometimes I don't fold them. Sometimes I cut them and then, where are my scissors? I can show you. Scissors got moved. Sometimes what I do, actually most of the time what I do is I don't fold this one. I actually cut it and then I glue it so that it's a double pocket. So that I put glue on this just like halfway down, and I glue these two together, and then I glue the sides and the bottom of the bottom one. So then I have two pockets here to put on a page. This one comes with a little envelope. It also comes with a mini journal, which I don't think I've put together yet. I think I have done. I do have another video that teaches you how to put the mini journals together, like how to fold them for the mini journal. And so this little pocket is holding all of the ephemera for my mini journal. It looks like I haven't finished cutting out my journaling cards yet. Got an envelope. Look how pretty that is. All my pages. I also have, I printed out double, not of the cover page, but I printed out double of the inside pages of my kit so that I could glue these down to make the journal pages, to make the pretty little journal decorations. And then for the signature, the inside part where I'm gonna journal, I printed those double-sided. I haven't gotten to see. I think I need a new paper cutter. I'm not getting along. I need to still edge these, distress the edges of these, maybe cut that one down a little bit more. And so this will be my signature. The cover piece I did print on a little bit heavier paper, and then the signature, which I will sew inside in here into this 2/8. So it will have a journal signature in here. There's some, in this kit, I put some writing lines on some of the pages here so that you can write a little bit. Yeah, so this one has a signature that goes in here as well if you want. If you don't want, then don't put the signature in. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a signature into the middle of my envelope journal. Also, another thing you can do, like I think I got to gluing these pages a little, got too excited to glue the pages, and I did not glue any twine. So sometimes when I glue the back page down, I will kind of tape down some twine in the back and then glue the pretty paper over it, so then I have an automatic kind of closure. I haven't decided on my closure for this one quite yet. Sometimes I just take some fabric and tie it around. Yeah, so I haven't quite decided on the closure for this one yet, but check out on Instagram and I will finish it and I will post it to Instagram when I get the finished product done. So hope you enjoy an envelope journal. Hope that was easy. Hope it didn't confuse you when I messed mine up, but it's easy to mess up and it's also easy to fix. You can make these, you know, experiment with the sizes of the, you know, the sizes that you do on the edges. So, you know, if you want it to be thicker, instead of the 2/8 scoring at 2/8, you might want to do 3/8 on both sides, or 4/8 on one side and 3/8 on the other, just to see how thick you want to make your journal. And tag me on Instagram. On Instagram, I'm paper_craft_junkie. And then you can get the winter berries kit at papercraftjunkie.com. Let me know what you think. Okay, have a great day.